Welcome to 16827 Goldenstone Drive, located in Aspen Lakes. This parcel is 1.12 acres. Is completely ready to be built on. Has septic feasibility approval. Has been recently resurveyed. A lot line adjustment done to improve the shape and access for the new owner. A map of that is on the listing and can be included with any request for documentation. That full survey map can be provided. Great flat parcel. The community water's right out in the street, and the power box is installed. A good mix of juniper and pine. There will only ever be that neighbor because we're at the very end of the neighborhood. So there will not be a neighbor to the west there. I'm looking to the west at this point. And then this is to the south. The parcel looks back on one of the many ponds here at Aspen Lakes. And back at the golf course too. You can see this is the back southwest property pin. The lot leaves plenty of room for a big single-level home and a detached shop garage. Here's that corner. And then over it we get into the neighborhood property. That pond. The golf course. It's one of the best remaining lots in the neighborhood. My favorite thing is access. As I walk out here, I'll show you the gate. There's two gates into the neighborhood. One, the main entrance back by the lodge. And then there's this access point over here off of Goldenstone. It allows super quick access. Walking back out to Goldenstone, you can see that's the northwest corner there by the power box transformer. Great paved roads. And then the gated access right here. So you can get in and out from the neighborhood without having to wind through the rest of the streets and the main gate. Come right in off of Camp Polk, through that gate, into the parcel. Just a beautiful location. One of Central Oregon's best neighborhoods. Amazing central location. quick access to Sisters, Bend, and Redmond.